Hello everyone, today I'm doing a project and I want to use that project, of course, to take photos. And yeah, I'm gonna use a staple. Is it a stapler or a staple? And then I'm going to use some boxes, like old boxes that I've, when I go to Sephora, normally I buy items and I just keep the boxes. I've always loved, not the boxes, but the bags. I really love how they look. And yeah, so let me show you. They're on the floor. I have several of them, like probably not more than 10, but like 6, 7. And yeah, I love the print. I love the black and white, and I just love that look. It's very classic, or classy, or whatever. So I'm gonna stick them to the side and we're going to do this project together. The outfit that I'm wearing is gonna be black and white. The top that I'm wearing is of course black, and the skirt, as you can see, is also black and white. So yeah, let's start. Oh, I think it was stuck. Let me see. I hate when staples do that because I think the staple is not working well. It's crazy, huh? Let's see. I'll try again. Let me do it once again. If it doesn't, I'll just use tape. Oh, it works. My son was playing with this, so yeah. I don't know how I can show you. Oh, gosh. I think I'll show you guys once it's done because my phone is full and it can't record long. Bear with me. So I just put 5 bags and 3 over there, 2 down there. I still have 2 more left, and I was wondering where I should put them, but I'm thinking I'll just hold them in my hands since the spacing on the wall is quite I don't know how to put them in there, and it's an uneven and odd number. Let's see, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I have 7 of them, so I don't know how I can work with that. So I'll just probably hold them. Okay, so let's start taking the pictures. Hi everyone. Now I wanted to shoot the process, what I'm doing, and I'm using my 6400, and it's right here. And my light just stopped working. That's the light I'm using, so I'm just gonna use the light that I have in the room, and I'm gonna place these here. Ooh, it can't be seen. Oh, there. See? Yeah. So I'm gonna use my camera. I'm gonna use my phone because it has the imaging app, since I take the pictures by myself. And I had an idea. I think it's good it looks better if I'm on my phone because it looks like I'm going shopping. I don't know, just makes sense that way. And I'm not wearing any shoes, so we're just gonna do it this way. I'll pretend I am shopping, like I'm looking at my phone, so, but I'm actually looking at my imaging app. I mean, taking the picture. So basically that's what I do, but since yeah, this is how I take my pictures with the 6400. Normally I put the phone away, I can do that, but let's take this one. Okay, let's put the phone aside. I can do another one without the phone, but I like looking at myself, so I can do some adjustments. But okay, I like checking just to see how my shoot is going, and yeah, I think I've taken enough, although it's never enough. Okay, let's take another one, because I see the one without a phone looks better. Oh dear, this one has come out. I wish my light was working. Oh dear. The problem with this light, I need to talk about it. Anyway, let's see how the pictures look. I finally fixed my lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna do with the lighting and then we'll see how it looks. The problem is you can't even see the full body from there. Anyway, let's do it once again. Let me reduce the ISO because it's too bright.